I wanted to quickly run you guys through Skool. All right, so just to show how it works, how you can make like the best use of it, how the courses work, how these calls work, how the leaderboards work. So it's like the classrooms. You have classrooms which contains all the courses. You have the calendar, like, so you can see when the group coaching calls are. Right now, I'm doing a group coaching call every Sunday at like this time. So for me, it's 6 p.m. till 7 p.m. In Europe, I think it's 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. The group has been growing pretty big. And some people have been asking to do like calls during the week on Wednesday too. So I might this month, because of the growth, hire another coach to do even more coaching calls. Because if it's like Wednesday, 7 p.m. for the most of the guys in Europe, it will be 1 a.m. for me. So I'm not going to stay up till 1 a.m. to do a call. So I might hire another coach to provide 4 extra coaching calls every single month. So 1 a week. So you guys will have 2 1-hour coaching calls every single month to make the community even more valuable, provide more live calls. You can get the Skool app on your phone and on your desktop. So that's nice to know too. So you can also always have access to it. Like I just said, I would love you guys to post wins in the community. I'm gonna walk through it really quick. So on the community page right here, cancel this post. 1 second. So here you can just scroll and read all the messages that people are sharing. Every time I make a post, I will also share it here. Like I will share the group coaching call links here. And people just share information here, questions. So whenever you have a question, you can also first scroll through the group and see if your question has already been answered here. Here, Aiden shared some motivation here. So here that a channel review. Here, Aiden asks who is where from. Here's some posts about voiceovers with AI. Here's how to download YouTube videos. So there's a lot of already answered question in there too. Now, Alexander has to go. Too bad, bro. I wanted to ask you some questions later on too. Okay, anyway, so that's that. If you go to the classroom section, that's right here. This is where you can find all the courses. So I've made different courses. So first of all, here you can find all the resources, like all the apps you can use, all the AI softwares you can use, all the PDFs you can use and tools. Here's the accelerator course, the premium course, and the AI course. So these are important. Go through, I think, what files there, go through the niche research, because I have 5 different niche research methods in there that you can use to find your niche. And it just comes down to like you actually doing the research and using the resources in there to find something. But more on that later too. Okay, third, we have the calendar here. So as you can see, every Sunday, there's a group coaching call right now. So maybe like in the coming weeks, I will also add one every Wednesday here with another coach who does the Wednesday calls. But I will update you guys about that later on. So then you have leaderboards here. So in the classroom section, there's different courses, right? I can link different courses to different access levels. And the more you like, comments, engage with comments, comment on comments or posts from other posters, the higher level you will get and the more you will. So that's a nice gamification too of this whole platform to make it more fun to work with, basically. All right, so if anyone has questions about Skool and how it works, how the calls work, how the classroom works, just raise your hand, and then in the Q&A section, we will go over it, okay? All right, now we get to the progress